Use the Batch Update option in your trackers to update a tag for multiple students at once. To begin, click the plus sign of the tracker, which contains all of the students you wish to include in your batch update. Then, select Batch Update. Start with Step 1, select what you would like to do, and click I would like to scroll down to the tag you would like to update. Next, choose the value for the tag you are updating. Note, this will clear any current tags assigned to these pages. Then proceed to Step 2, select which pages to update. This is where you will select which students' pages will receive the updated tag. You can check all, uncheck all, or check and uncheck students individually. Finally, click Run Batch Update. Now, in your trackers and on student pages, you will see that students have been updated with the tag you applied.